What's up, YouTube family? It is Keeping Up with the Griffins, and it's Vlogmas Day 7! So today we were challenged by Trudy Lee from the Sincere team. She's also the innovator of this challenge. Be sure to check out her channel. She does mukbangs, she does challenges, she does story times and lives. She also always engages with the YouTube fam, so we want to reciprocate that and support her on this challenge. But before we get into this challenge, we want to welcome you back. And if you're new,
you know what to do. Subscribe, click that bell, dang, dang, like, and comment on the video down below. That's all you gotta do. Yeah, that's all you gotta do. And help us get to 1K.
Yeah, get us to 1K, guys. We're almost there.
Yeah, like 900 something.
Yeah, something. So, yeah, so this challenge, the challenge rules is you gotta have 12 ounces of drink. We got chili curry, 1 cucumber. You gotta split it down. You know, split. Then split in the middle, gut it with at least 4 toppings. So I'm gonna start with me. My 4 toppings are lettuce, onions, avocado, tomatoes, got some chicken in there, some shrimp. I think that's all I got, and some cheese. And twins, what you got? What you got?
I got chicken,
cheese,
lettuce.
I think that's shrimp. Yeah, shrimp. You don't do too much toppings. Kylie, what you got?
I got shrimp, tomatoes, chicken,
lettuce,
and cheese.
Yeah, y'all ain't going out the way like I am. But yeah. So we got the sauces, Chick-fil-A ranch, and we also got sour cream. Okay, so we are doing the Rock the Boat challenge. I don't think I mentioned it. I'm sorry. This is the Rock the Boat challenge. And we're about to get into it. About to dig in, guys. So, Kylie, what do you want? You want some sour cream?
Sour cream.
Kylie, she like sour cream on her baby.
You know, sorry.
You want that as well? Okay. Jason, you want sour cream or no? Okay. Kylie, get your little Chick-fil-A ranch. Chick-fil-A. You want this? So guys, if you have not noticed that the man of the household is not in this challenge,
yeah, he's not in the
I'm about to talk smack. I'm gonna talk smack because, you know, he said he was doing the last 2 challenges with the kids. So it's my turn to do a challenge. Y'all might hear him in the background.
I'm not in this challenge, but I'm still here now. I'm still here, so don't talk too much smack.
Y'all hear that? The ghost of Christmas past. Y'all hear that? Y'all hear the ghost?
Don't talk too much smack.
Y'all hear the ghost of
I'm
Christmas
gonna let
past?
y'all get y'all shine on right now. I'm gonna let y'all get your shine on.
You back there.
Y'all get your shine on.
And let's give him credit because he the one made the food.
Well, thank you. I appreciate my credit.
He made the food, so
Appreciate
guys.
the credit.
Thank you.
We are going to pray because you know it's important to give God thanks. Thank you for this food that we're about to receive. Let it be a nourishment to our bodies. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen.
Amen.
So let's get started. All right, guys. Let's see how does it taste. Oh, good. So, guys, we're gonna talk about Vlogmas. Listen, Vlogmas is very challenging. What y'all think? Y'all think it's challenging? It's time consuming, I'm not gonna lie.
Very much.
Because you gotta figure out what you wanna do, recording, and you gotta edit videos. Then after that, you gotta like comment on each video. Then you gotta watch other YouTubers' videos and comment on there. So it is time consuming, but it's fun.
Yeah, we apologize if we've been kind of ghost on some of y'all videos, because y'all know that's not us.
We playing catch up.
We trying. So just don't take it personal if you don't see us comment on your videos. We gonna get to it.
We promise y'all.
We'll get to it.
We promise. Joe gonna make sure of that. So, how y'all guys feel about Vlogmas so far?
Good. Great.
It's so good. I never had this combination before, and it's good.
I'm good. It's good.
I gotta make this. It's like a once a week snack or something. You like yours? You don't know about it. Yeah. Listen. You know when the food is too good, you got it. Or you do like a little dance. When the food is so good.
I be doing that.
Like a
I
food dance.
some girls do that.
Oh, you don't do that?
Oh.
Okay.
You be dancing.
If y'all have not tried blackberry ginger ale, what are you doing?
It's good.
What are you doing? Get you some blackberry ginger ale. The twins got lemonade. Joe made lemonade. I know y'all probably think name. Joe make everything. Okay. I can cook, okay? But when you have a husband that loves to cook, why not take the advantage? You know, let him cook. Give me a break. But this is your hair. You want to slap your mom. Don't slap me though. Yo, you did a good job with this.
Appreciate it. I did a little something. A little something.
Listen.
I don't mean to interrupt you, but I just came back from downstairs and it seemed like I heard you talking some trash about me or something. I seemed like I heard you saying something about me.
Me? No. Why would I do that?
I'll see when I edit the video.
I'm not that. Why would I do that?
Yeah, I leave and then she started talking. I thought I heard something, but I wasn't too sure.
You always somebody talking about him. Nobody talking about him.
I'm not too sure. I think you said something, but
Nobody talking about you.
I'll find out sooner or later.
He was not too much.
Hey.
Okay.
You want me to talk about you?
Nah, that's all good.
If I talk about you, it's something good.
Okay. I'll take that.
I was giving you your flowers. No. I ain't gonna lie. I'm getting full. Alright. Y'all don't eat like that. I don't eat like that. It's good though. It's Chick-fil-A ranch. It's so good. I always get this like when I go like to Moe's. Girl, you hungry? I promise y'all, we feed Kylie. We feed Kylie. I don't know why she eat like she don't get fed.
What?
You about finished too.
I think it's slow.
Can y'all believe that? It's almost
Christmas.
that. It's almost 2022.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that.
I feel like this shit went by so fast.
I thought it was about to be 2020. 2020 fast. That's been a long time.
Okay, I'm gonna touch it, y'all. This is so good. Shout out to True Lee from the Sincere team coming up with this challenge. It's so good. Y'all. We just want to say thank y'all so much for supporting us throughout our journey of Vlogmas thus far. We appreciate y'all so much. I remember when we started off YouTube, we was like, yeah, I don't know. 'Cause when we started off, we got up to like 81 subscribers, and we've been like 81 or in the 80s for a while. And the moment we hit 100 subscribers, we were like, okay. Then we got to a standstill for a while. And I was like, okay, should we quit YouTube or should we just continue on and just enjoy the ride?
I don't think so.
Exactly. So I'm so glad that we had you guys not only as supporters but family to help us through this journey. And I'm so glad we did not quit YouTube, because YouTube is live. We love you guys.
We have to keep going.
Can't quit.
Not quit.
We gotta keep going. That's the way to go. Then, y'all, Christmas break is approaching.
Yeah.
How y'all feel about getting out for Christmas?
Good.
I'm glad too, because when y'all get out, we get out too. Christmas break and summer break is like the best.
They keep you out for so long.
Oh, y'all eating fast.
I'm not.
I promise y'all we be feeding them. Joe can attest today, but he's not here right now. He done ghost on us. I don't know if y'all familiar with peach ginger ale, but I've seen that. I love ginger ale, but I'm gonna say that blackberry is my favorite. I put my whole family on blackberry ginger ale, but they wasn't familiar with no blackberry ginger ale until I drank it. But I want to try the peach ginger ale. I've been looking for it and I cannot find it. So if you guys can find peach ginger ale, please let me know. If you can just ship it to me, I promise you I'll be so happy. Because I've been looking for a peach ginger ale for a minute now. Now I can't find it in my local Walmart. So you getting pho? You done? You want this one? One thing about Kylie, she love to eat. Kylie would eat
Everything.
She would eat and look at your food and expect you to give us some. But you know, I give us some. Good fight. I saw Coco TTV doing this with Eli, and it had looked so good. Sincere, she did hers, it looked so good. So I'm so thankful she challenged us to this. I'm like, hey, I really want to try it. Oh my god, like it's a taste I've never tasted before. Well, look like Kylie, of course, she finished before us.
Because
J3, you can see me, him is racing. Almost to the name.
I won. Maybe.
That's
Because
pretty good.
maybe.
So we are done, guys.
I'm not.
Okay.
Blueberry.
Thank y'all so much for the support. Almost two roll. Almost two.
Click the bell.
Who's so good? I can't even talk. We to the road of 1K. On the road to 1K.
On the road to 1K.
We appreciate the love and the support. We love you guys. We thank you. Thank you for watching our videos. Thank you for loving our Vlogmas intro. We appreciate it. Make sure you subscribe.
Click that bell.
And we will see you guys on the next Vlogmas. Love you.
Love you.